The session is about the tax code so that we exactly understand it and we learn the possibilities and learn the information, the wide range of information, and that can only be done either by exploring itself, or the second option is with consultation with the legal teams, so that we utilize this tax code legally to serve us. And that is only possible when we look at the system through the eyes of rich families, as this whole system is designed to serve the rich families. And that is actually designed by the Senator Nelson Aldrich, who is the business associate and also a family member of these rich families. And they, on the same year, they developed the tax exempt foundations. And now through those exempt foundation and through different aspects of the tax code, this they use this tax code which serve them. And it totally a trap for the poor, not only poor from the money point of view, but also for those who are poor mindset, who having the poor mindset. It is a trap, and that trap is only due to their lack of information, due to their lack of learning, that they are not use the learning to serve them, and they only believe that there is no possibility. But here we remain in the postage stamp consensus, and that is what narrow band of information and narrow band of possibilities. And the purpose of the session is that we look the system through the eyes of rich families, and uh, deal it like the rich families deal this whole system. And now we are in the era when the Amazon pays zero tax, and despite of the fact that it is a trillion-dollar industry. But how they do it, we are not exploring it, and that is the reason we remain in this trap and become hopeless, that this system is against of us. Without searching, like the rich families search for it, and like they explore it. And that is why this whole system serve the rich mindset, the rich families, and become a trap for the poor families and the poor mindset. And the formula to save ourselves is the irigdi, that first we work on the elimination of all the taxable income. Is the Amazon do it, and Amazon do it through certain strategies, so that we learn the strategies. We can reduce on the next step the taxable amount, the taxable income. And that is only can be done by using the strategies. The number one strategy is that document all of your expenses, even the business meals, and even a trip for developing the skills, for developing your business, and even the lease, even the rent, even the supplies to the offices, even your internet connection, even the purchase of laptops. So make every expense in a documented form and reduce your taxable income. That is the first strategy, and that is again play a role in elimination the in the elimination of the taxes that you pay. As the government play no role in making your business success, then why we give a huge chunk of money for doing nothing. So we have to ask the critical questions from ourselves. And the thing to be understand that they make their taxes through the inflation. And why we give the money, the paper money to them when they print the money? They are already taking their taxes. So we have to learn about it, we have to think about it. And if we eliminate, that is well and good, that is excellent. If not, then we make the strategies toward the reduction, to reduce the taxes. And for that, look through the geo arbitrage eyes. And geo arbitrage eyes, those places where these taxes are very low or nearly nil. And there are a lot of places, and the digital nomads in this today era, they do it. And the other option is again to select the things that facilitate us, that facilitate our cash flow. Give the stock options to your stakeholder. So that is again a way to remain with the cash flow, and never decreasing your cash flow. So offer them, and include the employee benefits, include the employee training, so that your team not only become empower, improve, but also it give you the tax benefits. And that is the reason you make a consultation with your legal team, to save you, to give you the real money. And that is your energy and time, which you are giving for nothing. So here the purpose of the session, always ask from yourself the critical question. Think about the possibilities, the legal possibilities, how the system, those who made, they get the benefit, follow their path, run their row, so that you again exactly get what the rich get, what those families get. And that is only possible by learning, by asking the critical question, by exploring the possibilities.